Today I'm going to teach you how to do subtraction with regrouping. We're going to take a look at 356 subtract 128. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to show 356 with your base 10 blocks. Here I have 1, 2, 300. Now I'm going to have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 for my 10s and 6 for my 1s. I have 356. When we do subtraction, we need to start with the 1's place value. For 356 minus 128, I have 6 1's and I want to subtract 8. If I have 6 cookies, I can't eat 8 of them. That doesn't make sense. I don't have enough. So I need to go to my neighbor, the 10s, and I need to regroup 1 10 over to my 1s for 10 1s. Like this. So what I just did is I went to my neighbor, the 10s, and I took one of my 10s. So now I only have 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I regrouped one of my 10s for 10 1s, so now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 1s. So this 6 is now 16. Alright, now I think I can try to subtract. I have 16 and I'm taking 8 away. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I can take that away. When I take 16 and I subtract 8, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16 subtract 8 is equal to 8. Next, I'm going to move to my 10's place value. I have 4 subtract 2. If I have 4 cookies, can I eat 2 of them? I can, so do I need to regroup? No, I don't need to go to my neighbor to regroup because I have enough. So 4 10s subtract 2 10s leaves me with 2 10s. So I'm going to write 2 here. Now I have my hundreds place value left. I have 3 hundreds. If I have 3 cookies, I can eat 1. So I'm going to take 100 away and I'm left with 200s. So 356 subtract 128 is equal to 228. Know what you're thinking. Mr. Ha, if I don't have base 10 blocks at home, how am I supposed to do this? Well, don't worry. I've already thought it out for you. What you can do is you can draw your base 10 blocks. Alright, so with 356, I can start by drawing 356 base 10 blocks onto my chart. I'm going to draw 100, 200, 300s. I need 56, so I need 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I do 356 subtract 128, I always start with my 1's place value. I start with 6 1s. 6 subtract 8. Can I do that? If I have 6 cookies, can I eat 8 of them? No, that doesn't make sense because I don't have enough, so I need to go to my neighbor. I go to my neighbor and I take 1 10 and I regroup that over to my 1's place value as 10 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what did I just do? I just took 1 10, so now I have 4. And I regrouped it over to my 1's place value, so now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 1s. Now I can subtract. 16 subtract 8 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 ones. And then 4, I have 4 tens that I need to subtract 2. If I have 4 cookies, I can eat 2 of them. That makes sense. So I don't need to regroup. I can just subtract 2. I'm left with 2 tens. And then with 3 hundreds, I can subtract 3 by 1. I'm going to take 1 flat away. And now I'm left with 2 hundreds. So 356 subtract 128 is equal to 228.